Congressman, taki silbi kita ng mga hente kay distribution del ACA para este pondo de national government. So, sa kami si di Congressman Kino Lasso kami lang ya ayuda saka or obtene con este pondo para dale con el di aton mga workers atin sa Buanga. Actually, el beneficiary di aton estadía mga empleyado akin mga de shopping malls, aking mga otro negosyo, sila ang mga beneficiaries. So, maski chinis na trabaho, pero ang mga talaga sa ACA, pakil kapus talaga sila. So, palta el kontrada. So, this, este ACA, amo de para ay naman lang po.
Mga kwanto kita kilala beneficiary?
Right now, I think we're at around 2,000 plus for today. Kaya amo lang katamin kaya el diato na kilo DSWD. And I think we have around 15,000 total beneficiaries for this program na sunod-sunod SM monthly days.
For the record, how much each month?
Right now, around 2,000 kada uno BCB. So talaga sila bastante maski pa ka lang rent the boarding house or kumpra unsa ko di aros pati ulam para siguro un semana ba un mes.
Definitely kina pa tayo next batch.
Chene pa, this is not the last. Actually, this is batch 2. Kaya yan chene kami first batch I think 2 weeks ago. So STL batch 2. I think we have 3 or 4 more batches if I'm not mistaken.
So, per batches, sir, walang pa
Yes, more or less around 2,000 plus beneficiaries kita per batch.
So, in total, for the 4 batch,
Basta total say is 15,000 beneficiaries all in all.
maybe budget for this.
Total batches, I think 4 or 5 batches mo kami
I
check.
mean, budget, million.
Budget, million. That's around 30 million at 2,000 each. See, 30 million say. Pero pa sa mga otro, mga primero di abot siya pa otro.
Sir, other issue, sir.
Okay.
You know,
Sige.
2 days from now, filing niya of COC.
Correct.
I understand you are going to file your candidacy.
Your plans.
Well, I will be filing my candidacy. The question is, to what position niya lang? That's what I am also waiting for. Okay, I have not yet decided up to this moment. But definitely, I will be filing my candidacy for public office this coming filing na October 1 to 8.
So, what is your reason for that?
Well, always man el pamilya Olaso tali para ayuda. I just want to make sure that el funding del gobyerno aginda na hindi aginda na bolsilyo. Alegre kami ko sa kami cheni na kita di amon. Yaman kami tas piramas, kinapa kumako sa mga otro. One thing in life that I always say that I have found, na sila, is sila contentment. That's the first thing you have to find. After you find contentment, ay daya to, kung nandito yung mga PPNTs. Kaya hindi man to pirmi talaga sila, pwede nila dito pamilya lang. The surroundings should also be healthy. Kaya sinitipwer ko lang kung pinmitamira, naray ko sa pasa, kung hindi ato mga bibiyentes. Kung naman nyo as ang grandam yung anak, ngayon plano ko yung mga anak di ba na Manila para alya sila kinagrande. Kero aki sila kinagrande na Zamboanga, ay akitamin nyo ya ang granda. So akitamin yung moriche rin niya. Pero dura pakil.
Sir, yan kwento to ito yung plano.
Si.
How about the Kong and Ma'am Mary Joy?
Okay. Si Congressman right now, he's sticking to Congress, but things can still change. Okay? It depends upon the situation that we're looking into. I cannot dictate what my brother would want to pursue for next year's elections. However, sige kami ko sa pulso del gente. Because el gente kapidi, we will give it to them. That's gonna weigh more kung el decision. The way I view it. Now, si Ate Mary Joy Mantamen, most probably she will be gunning for a council seat in District 2. Ay di alyak at Mantamen din yung mga pamilya. And we're hoping she will be supported kami para pwede kami kontinua and buen servisyo y alegría del pamilya Olaso Nadal.
your view, what particular problems of Banga City fundraise to also?
Okay, the particular problems that we have right now is the flooding. That's number one. SAO Kiriman focus. Actually, we already have plans, me and the congressman have discussed, how to mitigate the flooding problems in Zamboanga City. Let's say in District 1, Buso, Chenia kami ta plan nga di, actually to be funded next year, hopefully, El Aquilo, mga drainage systems, Grande kay Manri Channel kami, El Rio de San Jose Buso. Esegat el main plan ni Amon. Para hindi mas manbaha Aquilos Alya Onde Puente, makalasti mga tunapillos. Kita bien mas iyo, I am one of those affected by the floodings, masing kasa di Amon, tanlumos namin. Por eso, andayo, kwanto aniya matamin el otro na pwesto, may pamansi pwede ase, porque hindi kami ase ara. Kami po babus ka manera para pinisi. El next to me yung priority is health di aton. That's why we are really focusing on the Labuan Hospital, Aliana, Zamboanga, Ecozone. I want to continue that project with Congressman. Después, kaya namin yung era, man-construct impounding dam El Zamboanga City. However, we are still discussing with the National Irrigation Authority because we don't want to build ang kinapasunang ka. Este kinapasunang ka, no matter what is scientific, mas gano'n silang cascading dam, or it's gonna be very strong. We will follow Murphy's law. What could go wrong will definitely go wrong. Hindi kung pinagpachinet ng Genetia, yakin mo na sila. Mga bibiyentes, tanda ba ang takita? Manada ang pekta, hindi atong syudad. That's why tanda kami na niya, the best place to put it is in Anulim na papaya. Because alyan, may tanto residente. And per the assessment that we did sometime last January or February of this year, yan lang kumiwan mga personahes din niya, akigat mas bali po ni Eldam. For one, pwede pa sila po ni, talaga sila hydroelectric power alya. So, manadali benefits. Then it can also be used for irrigation. Kahit taliman ay di aton mga farmlands, di aton mga rice field, tali na Costa Westel also. So, talaga sila, sinapuntos-puntos lang. Ali na ano din, bueno po ni di aton yung counting down. Para Liga Tiempo de El Niño, hindi a ustedes necesita esperar Liga El Agua Tadali si kana Congressman Kimmer Olaso para ayuda na vivientes.
Your views pala on mega evacuation center?
Okay. The mega evacuation center kasi, as far as I know, it needs a huge budget for it to be finished. And I do understand the city government. I'm not sure how they prioritize their budget. It depends kasi kenta sinta, si pakilain sa naman budget. Por eso, I hope, si doon naman siya tagas na Elsen, it's really good news. Ese kita kere. Kay, we really need to focus on that also. Kay, manada, manada at mga pibentes natin affected by the floodings, tachenegat yung last lima, takaigat milag di mas kadabis tamira yung kumila, kali sila nakanto kamino, kali lang sila takeda. So, umalingan sila. Mas benin si Chene al gobyerno, doon para po ni kanila. Kada best, tapasasyon sila malis.
Arriba Ayala.
Si Prime Water, Aqua. So si Pensa ustedes, si Chene kita impounding dam because wala kita pakilayan na sa Del Agua. Hindi pirmi mandugo el agua na Rio de Anulim de San Ramon River. So si Ede si pirmi mandugo, hindi namin sila man-stop operations. Kaya usually kan stop operations sila kay Kandugo el Agua, Kasera Aquel Ondet El Agua, with a proper impounding dam na pwede kita control ang agua and the quality of water that will go into kunan mga tangke din nila. Okay? Amo say double, hindi lang siya double, hindi lang triple, quadruple purpose ese. Okay?